Overwhelmed by too many lists on your Trello board? Let's declutter and streamline your workflow by learning how to delete those unnecessary lists. First, it's important to understand the difference between archiving and deleting a list. Archiving hides the list from your board but keeps all the cards and data accessible for later use. Deleting a list, on the other hand, permanently removes the list and its cards, so proceed with caution. To archive a list, simply hover over the list title. Then, click the three dots in the top right corner of the list to open the List Actions menu. In the menu, you'll see several options. Click on Archive this list. The list will disappear from your board. To find archived lists, click the three dots at the top right of your entire board to open the Board Actions menu. Select Archived items here. You can view and restore archived lists if needed. Now, let's move on to deleting a list. This is permanent, so be absolutely sure you want to do this again. Hover over the list title you want to delete. Click the three dots in the top right corner to open the List Actions menu. First, you must archive the list. Click the Archive this list option. After archiving, click on the three dots in the top right corner of where the archived list was. Now, in the menu, you'll see a Delete option. Click on Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear, warning you that this action is irreversible. Read the warning carefully. If you're absolutely sure, click the Delete button. The list, along with all its cards, will be permanently removed from your Trello board. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to delete a list on Trello. Remember to archive lists you might need later, and only delete lists you're sure you no longer need. A well-organized board leads to a more productive workflow.